Welcome back guys, and in today's video I'm going to cover a very simple and very important topic which is related to WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, what is going on, anyone is able to add you in the group which they are forming. So how to restrict a person from adding you in a group, I will cover this, and not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So let us quickly go to the WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, just press three dots, then go to the setting, then in setting we have go to the privacy, and in the privacy just downward here a group is written, so just press the group. Who can add me to groups? If everyone is selected here, then any number can add you in any group they are forming. But if my contacts are selected, the person who is in your contact can add you in the group, in a WhatsApp group which they are forming. It should be either at my contacts or at my contacts accept. If we are selecting my contacts accept, I would like to suggest you please select all the person of your contacts, so that what will happen, if any person who is trying to add you in a group they are forming, a notification link will come to you for approval. If you approve that notification, then only you will be added in the group they are forming. So this is how you can restrict anyone to add you in a group, even the person who are in your contacts. So this is all about today's tutorial. Hope you liked it, and if you have liked it, please consider to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Share it on social media platforms. Thank you very much.